In this module, we will look at basic principles of land law, which are real and personal property, estates, and interest in land. English law classifies property as either real or personal. Real property consists of an interest in land. Land is defined in the Law of Property Act 1925. Land of any tenure and mines and minerals, buildings and other corporeal hereditaments, and a rent and other incorporeal hereditaments, and an easement, right, privilege, or benefit in, over, or derived from land. For the remainder of this seminar, I will refer to the Law of Property Act as the LPA. Personal property is everything else. Property can change from personal property to real property if it becomes sufficiently annexed to land. The law defines three categories of objects: fittings, also known as chattels, fixtures, and improvements. There are no hard and fast rules for categorising an object, and this is always a question of fact. Fittings are objects with their own legal identity, which are separate from the land. The owner of a fitting can be a different person from the owner of the land which the fitting is on. Fixtures are fittings which have become annexed to the land in some way. Fixtures generally become part of the land that they are fixed to and thus become real property. Refrigerators or washing machines built into a kitchen would usually be classified as fixtures. Improvements are permanent fixtures that cannot be removed from the land without destroying them.